In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get certified in HubSpot. If you're looking to enhance your skills and boost your career prospects with HubSpot's comprehensive marketing and sales tools, this certification is a fantastic credential to have. Let's dive in and go through the steps to get you there efficiently. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the HubSpot website. Once you're on the site, take your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Logging in is your gateway to accessing all of HubSpot's resources. Now, if you're someone who prefers simplicity and direct integrations, HubSpot offers the option to sign in using Google. Simply click on Sign in with Google and select the Google account you wish to associate with HubSpot. After you're signed in, look towards the top right corner once again, where you'll notice your profile icon. Click on this to navigate through your personal hub. From the drop-down, select HubSpot Academy. This is where the magic happens. HubSpot Academy is a treasure trove of knowledge, offering a myriad of courses covering different aspects of inbound marketing, sales, and customer service strategies. Scroll down until you encounter the Popular Academy Certificates section. This is your primary destination for the certifications you're seeking. You'll see a diverse range of certificate courses that are in high demand and highly esteemed within the industry. These will include both beginner and advanced courses tailored to equip you with the necessary skills and knowledge. Now it's time to choose the course or courses that align with your professional goals. By selecting the right course, you're setting the foundation for your certification journey. Each course is structured to provide comprehensive learning, concluding with an examination that tests your understanding and grasp of the subject matter. Don't worry if you need more time or a few tries. These courses are designed to accommodate different learning paces. Dedicate some focused time each day or week to complete the course material. Remember, consistency is key. As you progress, you'll have access to study guides and practice quizzes, preparing you thoroughly for the final exam. Once you've completed all course segments and passed the exam, congratulations, you'll be rewarded with an official HubSpot certification. This certification not only validates your expertise, but also enhances your professional profile. So there you have it, a straightforward path to earning your HubSpot certification. Embrace this learning opportunity, and in no time, you'll have that certification in your hands. Happy learning and best of luck as you embark on this enriching journey with HubSpot Academy.